If your check engine light is on like this one, maybe you have an ACM fault like this too. Come over here. Let me show you what I found wrong with this Volvo truck.
Got the J-Pro scan tool fired up and ready to go. Here's the fault code we're dealing with. Def dosing valve circuit problem. And for those who don't know, this is where the def dosing valve is located, right before the SCR filter.
And here it is on the truck on the passenger side behind the side skirt.
As mentioned here on J-Pro's fault guidance, the def dosing valve resistance should be between 10 to 14 ohms. So that's what we're going to check real quick.
All right, there we can see we're over 1 mega ohm. That's way out of spec. So it looks like we found our problem. Def dosing valve is bad, so let's replace it. Got the coolant lines pinched off.